we're going to tell you about the 3 most obedient dog breeds. These dogs are so smart and eager to please that they're basically like a blank slate when it comes to training. You want them to learn a trick? No problem. You want them to go on a diet or stop begging for food? Easy peasy. Want them to stop barking at the mailman? Well, that's an easy one too. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time we post a new video. And now, without further ado, let's get into it. Number 3 is the Labrador Retriever. Labs are renowned for their intelligence and eagerness to please. This makes them highly trainable and adept at learning new tricks. They're also incredibly food motivated, which means they'll be extra eager to learn if you pair a command with a tasty treat. Labs are often used as service animals because of their intelligence and trainability. They can be taught to help people with mobility issues, guide the blind, and even detect medical conditions. So, if you're looking for an obedient and intelligent dog, the Labrador Retriever might be the perfect breed for you. Just be sure to give them plenty of exercise and mental stimulation, or they may become bored and destructive. Number 2 is the German Shepherd. German Shepherds are known for their intelligence, trainability, and versatility. They're often used in police and military applications because of their ability to learn complex tasks and follow commands precisely. German Shepherds are also popular as service animals, helping people with disabilities to live more independent lives. They excel at obedience, agility, and shoe-tone training, which involves teaching the dog to track, find, and hold a scent. If you have the time, energy, and patience to provide the German Shepherd with the exercise and mental stimulation they need, you'll have a well-behaved and obedient companion for many years to come. Now for number 1, the most obedient dog breed, the Border Collie. Border Collies are widely considered to be the most intelligent and trainable dog breed in the world. They're incredibly eager to please their owners and have a strong instinct to herd and work. This makes them easy to train and highly obedient. Border Collies are often used in dog sports, such as agility, herding trials, and obedience competitions, where they consistently rank among the top breeds. They need a lot of exercise and mental stimulation to thrive. So if you're looking for an obedient dog who will also be your best friend and workout buddy, the Border Collie is the perfect choice. Just remember to give them plenty of exercise and mental stimulation, or they may become bored and destructive. While these are some of the most obedient dog breeds, it's important to remember that every dog is an individual, and some dogs of different breeds may be more or less obedient than others. With consistent training and positive reinforcement, any dog can learn to be well-behaved and obedient. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.